Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to sell a new car. First, research the current market value for your specific make and model. This helps you set a competitive and fair asking price, attracting more potential buyers. Next, gather all essential paperwork, including the vehicle's title, maintenance records, and any warranty information. Finally, give your car a thorough cleaning, both inside and out, to make a strong first impression. A well-presented car can significantly increase its perceived value and appeal. Once your car is ready, it's time to market it effectively. Capture at least 10 to 12 high-resolution photos, showcasing the exterior, interior, and any unique features. A detailed and honest description, highlighting the car's condition, mileage, and any upgrades, will attract serious inquiries. Post your advertisement on popular online marketplaces and consider local classifieds to reach a broad audience. Remember, a strong advertisement is key to finding the right buyer quickly. When potential buyers reach out, be prompt and transparent in your communication. Answer all questions honestly and provide any requested information. For test drives, always meet in a safe, public location during daylight hours and consider bringing a friend. Be prepared for negotiation. Most buyers expect to haggle a bit. Have a minimum price in mind, but remain flexible. A good negotiation can lead to a mutually beneficial agreement for both parties. Congratulations, you found a buyer. Now, it's time to finalize the sale. Ensure all necessary paperwork, such as the bill of sale and odometer disclosure statement, is accurately completed and signed by both parties. Promptly transfer the vehicle's title and registration according to your state's Department of Motor Vehicles guidelines. For payment, always opt for secure methods like a cashier's check or bank transfer, avoiding personal checks or large amounts of cash. This ensures a smooth and secure transaction for everyone involved.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.